Check out this 1998 Ford Mustang GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear bench seat, fog lamps, leather steering wheel, remote trunk release, AM/FM stereo, cassette, CD player, and engine immobilizer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.